I am going to walk you through some of the key features on AI Developer Front End, or ai.Dev-FE, only available on the No App Store at noapp.ai. You can find it by searching like this. We built this to help us automate our own software development, an interface that can build the HTML and CSS based off of a mock-up and minimal human interaction. We have built in a standard VS Code window with tabs for the HTML and CSS. This little button here is to sync any changes you have made to the desktop and mobile displays above. But as mentioned, this works off of a mock-up. Just drop the image of the page you want created here and let it do its magic. Here I have a mock-up of an image sharing site called Image Site. I am just going to drop it into this upload window. Alternatively, I could have clicked the upload box and searched for my file through the file browser. You can see the file and its temporary URL once you have uploaded it. Next, we click Generate. Yeah, pretty much that easy. We speed it up here, but you should expect this process to take 60 to 90 seconds depending on the complexity of the site. Here it did okay, but there are numerous refinements needed. I can either put some comments in the notes to have it focus on specific tasks, or I can just click the little desktop image down here, and we will take a screenshot of what your desktop image looks like and send it to AI, along with the image of the mock-up of how we want the page to look, as well as the code we already have. Then have AI work to make the current state of the page look more like the page in the mock-up. I am just going to put a few notes in here, such as to replace the image placeholder with an embedded video and hide that sidebar menu on mobile. And now I will just click the desktop icon to have it go through the process and include my notes with it as well. The desktop icon will spin until it's complete. Again, 60 to 90 seconds should be expected. Once we get the new code, the code is loaded to the code editor and to the desktop and mobile preview. Well, AI is not perfect, and sometimes it's way off. Luckily, we have this little undo icon down here to reload the last saved config for this page. Now let's try that again, without changing anything. There we go. That is a lot better and a lot closer to my mock-up. Now, since I like this, I need to save it, both the HTML and the CSS, so I will just click to save. Notice the save confirmation in the bottom right corner of the screen. You can also resize your code editing window if you really want to dig in. Most of the VS Code features are available here, from linting to code suggestions. You can generate code that is 90% complete, and then use the code editor to wrap up the last bit, while syncing in between changes to see updates in real time. Every time you create a new site by uploading an image and clicking Generate, we make a new index HTML and style CSS file with corresponding numbers. You can click on any HTML file to load the HTML-CSS combo. Here you can see another image site front end I created in just a few clicks as well. Also, we do allow working embedded videos and CSS from trusted sites. Also, in the File Manager, you can click Edit to change the name of any of the files. You can also click Download to download the file to your local computer. If you have some code you want to get rid of, just click the X to delete the file and select Confirm. Now let's start with a clean slate so I can show you another example. I am going to run this one at a faster speed since you already know what I am doing. Here I will create a social chat interface, something that feels comfortable to users who have used similar platforms. While this is running, I do want to mention, because we haven't talked about it yet, the little mobile button that is down by the desktop button. If you have a mobile mock-up, you need to upload it and then click the mobile button. We then will take a screenshot of the current mobile presentation along with your desired end state mock-up and have AI focus on your mobile presentation. Notice once again I give this a little guidance, telling it that it missed something or something needs to be moved. The more you know about web development to use proper terms, the better. But you can use really simple terms here. AI usually does quite well at deciphering what you meant, especially when it has images to look at. And there we go, nearly the end state, and it took me less than 7 minutes per site to create. We are working to automate the full stack development. This is just the first release of the first piece of the equation. There is a lot more to come. What we build for us, we build for you. Be sure to come, check this out for yourself. Again, it's ai.Dev-FE, that is AI Dev Front End, and it's only available on the No App Store at noapp.ai.